In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the wide angle here on Snapchat. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. On top of that, if you do have any questions throughout the entire duration of this guide, ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment. So if you do have any, ask them down there and I can help you out further. But what you're going to want to do if you want to use the wide angle here on Snapchat is first obviously go ahead and open up Snapchat and go to the camera screen right here. And just above the little picture button right here, aka the shutter button, you're going to see a few different zoom options. By default, it's going to be set to 1x. You can either tap to switch on it to change it to zero point 0.5, which is going to give it that like wider camera angle because this does activate the wide lens. Or you can also just zoom out a little bit and it's going to automatically switch it to zero point 0.5. You'll kind of hear a little vibration when you get in between the camera settings, indicating that you're on that wide angle lens. Now from here, you can take a photo or just start recording and it's going to give it a wider view. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. You're not going to be using Snapchat's wide angle camera. If you did have any questions throughout the duration of this guide, ask them down in the comment section below and I can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.